Hello everyone, I'm Hannah from Greenbubble. Today I'm going to show you a quick and simple way to update your display name, profile picture, and other business details on WhatsApp Business API. So whether you want to change your business name, upload a new logo, or update your description, address, email, or website, this process just takes a couple of minutes. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to this website. This is a hub for almost most frequently used pages. It makes navigation super easily. Now you'll see phone numbers over here. If your desired number is not showing up, make sure you're logged into the correct WhatsApp Business Manager. Different WhatsApp business accounts can have different phone numbers attached to them. After selecting the number, click on the profile tab or button. Here you can edit everything. For example, profile picture, display name. Display name can change how your business name appears to customers. And description. Description is basically a short information about your business, and then you need to add your address, email, website, and other business information that is required. And that's how you update your display name, profile picture, and business details on WhatsApp Business API using Greenbubble. If you face any issue like not seeing the correct numbers or having trouble with verification, drop your questions in the comments below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more WhatsApp Business API tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.